The National People's Women Front applauded the appointment of Ida Shisha Nongrang as the DGP of the state and said that the security and safety of women in the state will now be prioritized. Members of the Npwf, led by President Jasmine Lingdo, yesterday met Deputy Chief Minister in charge of Home Police, Praston Tinsong, to convey their appreciation over Nongrang's appointment as the first woman DGP of Meghalaya. Stating the crime against women is a global phenomenon, the Npwf's chief said that with the woman DGP at the helm of affairs, emphasis will be given to ensure the culprits are nabbed and the time and proper security measures are taken to safeguard women.
We know that it is a global phenomenon, but we understand that with a woman DGP, a lot of emphasis will be done in terms of, even ensuring that, culprits are nabbed in time. They are given the proper, kind of security measures are taken for our women. And we know that, even from the social welfare also, that plays a big role for our young girl child. So these are all things that I think, our new DGP will look into.